6 weeks ago, I embarked on creating this wonderful sourdough starter and have been enjoying baking regularly with it ever since. We rather affectionately named it Billy, but it's definitely not Billy no mates with the amount of millions of yeast and bacteria that are constantly growing in there, digesting all of the different grains, different flours that I keep feeding it, and it keeps growing, and then we keep producing all these wonderful baked goods. From an Ayurvedic perspective, we really like sourdough, and the reason for that is because the grains, the starches and the proteins in the grains are being broken down already by the bacteria and by the yeast. And this means that when we then come to eat it, our digestive system has less work to do in a way. It's very different from bread that has been made with quick-acting yeast. Quite often when I'm talking to clients, I'll recommend that they cut back on the amount of breads that they eat with quick-acting yeast, because often it can be extremely hard to break down that bread and to digest it and have some kind of level of digestive comfort. Usually there's discomfort that can go along with eating that. Sourdough, however, is very different because of this process. However, if you're making your sourdough goodies with lots of wheat, then wheat is still wheat, and wheat is really nourishing and has a lot of great properties and a lot of great qualities, but too much of anything is not necessarily a good thing. So it's still about enjoying it in moderation.